This is the example video for graphing a line in slope-intercept form. So first off, I know this equation's in slope-intercept form because the y is by itself. Okay, I've got my y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. Okay, so I know I'm going to start at my y-intercept, so in this case it's 3. Make a point. And then my slope is 1/2, where the numerator is my rise and the denominator is my run. So I've got 1 as my rise, so I'll go up 1 from my y-intercept, and my run is 2, so I'll go to the right 2. Or I could go down 1 and to the left 2. So now I'll connect. And last but not least, I'll make some arrows because this is a line. It does go on forever in both directions. Pause if you need more time. I'm going to move on. All right, number 2. So again, just writing my equation up here so I don't forget. So I will start at my y-intercept, which in this case is 4, so I'll go up to 4. My slope is also 4, and I know it's a positive number, so it'll be going up from left to right. But I don't have a fraction here. So to make that a fraction, what I'll do, I'll put it over 1, because 4 divided by 1 is 4. Okay, so I will go up 4, but once I get to 2, I'll be off the grid. So I'll go down 4 instead. 1, 2, 3, 4. And because I know it's going up from left to right, I have to go over to the left one. So now I will connect my points. And make my arrows. And that's it. Okay, I'm going to move on to number 3. Okay, for this next one, y equals negative 1/5 x minus 3. So I'm going to start at my y-intercept, which is negative 3. And my slope is going to be negative 1/5. So I know it's going to be going down from left to right. So for my rise, I'll go down 1 because this is negative. So I'll go down 1 and then to the right 5. Or I could go up 1 and to the left 5. And from there, I can just connect my points. And that's it. On to the last one. So for this one right here, we have y equals negative x plus 2. Okay, so we have no number where our slope is supposed to be. It's just a negative sign. Okay, so we say that is the same thing as being y equals negative 1x plus 2. Okay, so because we have a whole number here, negative 1, I'll put that over 1. And now I've got a fraction. I've got my rise and my run. So I'm going to start this line at plus 2 on the y-axis. And now for my slope, I'll go down 1 and to the right 1. we could also go up 1 and to the left 1. Okay, and I know this line looks right because when I have a negative slope, I'll be going down from left to right, and this line is indeed going down from left to right. At this time, I would move on to the practice for graphing a line in slope-intercept form.